Product composition. Main unit, cable set, power cable, ground cable, USB disk software included, cell monitoring module, data acquisition line and clamps, radio terminal box, USB cable, antenna, charging cable, device wiring. First, connect AC 220 volts power supply. Then, connect the red and black cable set, positive red, negative black. Take care to tighten to the right. Connect the thin red and black cable set, positive red, negative black. Plug the charging connector into the charging port and tighten to the right. The other end is connected to the three-phase power line. Finally, connect the black clamp on the other end to the total negative terminal of the battery. The red clamp connects to the total negative terminal of the battery. Cell monitoring module connection. A cell monitoring module can be connected to 12 batteries. As an example, the acquisition line is divided into two parts. The first part is the red and black power supply wires. The second part is the blue and yellow wires. Each wire is labeled, so be careful not to get the wiring in the wrong order. Firstly, blue 0 connects to the total negative terminal of number 1 battery. Yellow 1 connected to positive terminal of number 1 battery. Yellow 2 connected to positive terminal of number 2 battery. And so on. The yellow 12 is connected to the positive terminal of the number 12 battery. Black clip connects to total negative battery terminal. Red clip connects to positive battery terminal. Then connect cell monitoring module. When the indicator light is blinking, it means the connection is complete. Finally, connect the antenna. Parameter settings. Firstly, turn on the power switch to enter the main page. Click Test Charge to enter the charging template setting interface. Click Modify to preset the parameters. Cell monitor select on. Communication mode select WLS. The group voltage is 24 volts for example. Allow bad cells select 1. The number of battery cells are 12 for example. Monitoring module select T. Battery cell order select negative, start. Cell voltage select volt. Battery capacity in 170 Ya for example. Click Return, confirm to enter the charging parameter setting interface. Note: the charging capacity set to 170. Test time set to 10 hours. Cell voltage high limit set to 2.4 volt. Total voltage set to 28 volts. Charge current set to 1780.1 C. Click Start when the parameters are set. After turn on the charge switch circuit breaker, click OK to start the charge test. The following describes the discharge test. Click Modify to preset the parameters. Cell monitor select on. Communication mode select WLS. The group voltage is 24 volts for example. Allow bad cells select 1. The number of battery cells are 12 for example. Monitoring module select T. Battery cell order select negative. Battery capacity in 170 Ah for example. Cell voltage select to volt. Click Return, confirm to enter the discharging parameter setting interface. The discharging capacity is set to 170. Test time set to 10 hours. Cell voltage low limit set to 1.8 V. Group voltage low limit set to 21.6 volt. Discharge current set to 1780.1 C. Discharge mode select constant current CC. Click Start when the parameters are set. After turn on the discharge switch circuit breaker, click OK to start the discharge test. Below we introduce the active test. Click on Active, confirm to enter the activation parameter settings. Current set to 17 amps. Group voltage low limit set to 21.6 volt. Test time limit set to 10 hours. Capacity set to 170 Ah. Cell voltage low limit set to 1.8 volt. The charge current is also set to 17A. Voltage high limit set to 28 volts. Test time limit set to 10 hours. Capacity set to 170 Ah. Cell voltage high limit set to 17 volts. The number of cycle times can be selected from 1 to 9. Generally, the default is 2 times. Click Start when the parameter settings are complete. After turn on the both charge and discharge switch circuit breaker, click OK to start the active test. Data export. First, insert the USB disk into the USB port of the device. Click Data to enter the data management page. Select the test data we need to export. Click Export, OK to export. PC software use. Insert the data USB disk into your computer. Double-click to open and install the data management system a battery tester in the USB disk. You can choose to install in English. It is recommended to install in a path other than the C drive. Click Next, Install to complete the installation. Enter the user login screen after installation is complete. Language selection English. Enter the password 13,982 and click Login. On the main screen, you can see that there are 6 menus available. First, click Data Management. Click Add to upload the data exported from the device in the USB disk. Select the uploaded data and click Confirm to enter the data page. In the data page, we need to navigate through the 6 menus on the left side in turn. Then click Data Report. Select by date and fill in the relevant information. Data export in both Excel and Word formats.